How to remove someone from Cash App family account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can remove someone from your family account on Cash App. So in order to remove someone or family member from your Cash App account, you'll need to make sure that you already have a Cash App family account. Only then you can do this procedure. So then to begin with, open up your Cash App application. After you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. As soon as you click on the next page, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see family. So click on it, and if you already have an account, then you'll be able to see a list of family members that you've added. In order to remove someone or a particular user, you'll need to click on the three dot icon next to the username and click on the remove button. As soon as you do that, once again there will be a confirmation. Go through the statement and click on the remove button, and that particular user will be removed from the Cash App family account. In this way you can remove members from Cash App family account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.